What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mopar Crazy. We back with another legendary video, y'all. Another Trackhawk video. I've been going through the comments lately and I've been seeing a lot of y'all telling me y'all want to see a review on the Trackhawk. Y'all want to know all the mods that I did to it, how much it costs, and what else I'm gonna do to the Trackhawk, right? So we're gonna get into this video. I don't like talking too much talking. So let's get into this video, okay? Alright y'all, as you can see the trackies right here, the legendary Trackhawk on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Your favorite Trackhawk, Mopar, Hellcat vlogger, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? So before we get into this video, y'all, I just want to make this clear. A lot of y'all been asking me what size wheels I got on the Hawk. Those are 22-inch wheels. It's not 24s, y'all. It's not 24s. Okay, it's Varshan wheels, 22s. I know they look good as fuck. You know what I'm saying, with the matte black. You know what I mean? We're gonna get into the engine part and all the parts I got over here. But I just want to make this clear, y'all. The track is kind of dirty right now because outside, I don't know, it's springtime and the trees are like shedding some kind of pollen coming up the trees, and that shit will get your shit dirty. And I watched the track yesterday and look at this shit right now. Shit is filthy, bro. Can't keep your shit clean out here. Hey, y'all, don't forget to hit me up on Instagram, yo. Mopar Crazy Exotic. You know what I'm saying? Hit me up, DM me, yo. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to talk, whatever. Talk about some Mopar shit, whatever y'all want to talk about, y'all. You know what I'm saying? But for real, y'all, what y'all think I should do to the side? Y'all think I should put another decal on the side, or I should keep it plain Jane? I'm thinking about a gloss black, right, with yellow eyes. With the gloss black on the matte black, you know what I'm saying? You could see it, but you can't see it. Still keep that little stealthy, clean look, you know what I'm saying? But if you come closer, you can still see the Hawk on the side. I don't know, I'm thinking about it. Let me know in the comments if I should, you know, put another decal on there. Should I just leave it plain Jane? I don't know. Y'all let me know. You know what I'm saying? Another thing, I'm answering everybody questions as I go around the truck, all right? Y'all been asking me where, a lot of people been hitting me in my DMs, and I just got to go back and forth, copying and pasting, send them the link. Where did I find the diffuser, guys? This diffuser actually like $280, I think, and I bought it off on eBay. You go on eBay. I'll put the link in the description. I don't know if y'all pay attention when you guys watching my videos, guys. I always, whatever part that I'm calling out, I always put it in the description. You guys can go in the description, click on the link, and it's gonna take you straight to wherever I bought it from. All right. That being said, but that shit hard though. At nighttime, that shit is hard as fuck. You know what I mean? But let's get into this video, y'all. Let's talk about the mods that I did to this shit and what I'm gonna do to it, man. All these parts right here, all this shit is for the track. You know, the track is going to the shop. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. On Wednesday, shit's gonna be down maybe for like 3 to 4 days the max, because they are gonna do some surgery on this shit right here. So so we're gonna get into the video. Y'all been asking me what I got done to the Trackhawk. Y'all, the Trackhawk got 10-15 injectors. I got a full ported blower from the throttle body back. So that means the throttle body, 108 throttle body, the snout, this is the snout, y'all. A lot of you been asking me, what's the snout? This is the snout right here, y'all. You know what I mean? And this is a supercharger. This is the blower. You know what I mean? So it's ported from the throttle body all the way back, fully ported. All right. And how much that cost me? That shit costs about $4,000, y'all. $4 grand just for that. $4 grand just for that. A stock blower for a Hellcat is probably gonna run you like $3,500, $4,000. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much. If you want to get a brand new one from Mopar, you're gonna spend probably about $3,800 for a brand new blower. All right. We got 1050s injectors in there. I'm probably gonna have to get bigger injectors of what I'm getting done. I'm running E85, so I'm probably gonna go with like 1350s or something like that. You know, that's a sweet spot. I don't want to go nothing bigger than that. But the engine is gonna get split open. I'm doing drop-in pistons and rods in there. You know what I'm saying? Full-blown E85. As you can see, I got a 275, upper 275. I'm gonna go with a 10%. I'm gonna do the fuel. I'm gonna do the fuel lines and everything. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro, the Trackhawk is gonna be pushing some serious fucking power. The thing I've been telling you guys all the time, man, the more and more, it's like a tattoo. You do one thing to your vehicle, then you're gonna want to do more and more and more and more and more and more, and then you got getting more and more and more and more and more problems. Is this the name of the game, right? And we complain about it, but we keep on doing this shit, man. We keep on doing it. We keep on doing it. We keep on doing it, right? Oh my God, y'all don't understand. This shit be stressing me the fuck out, yo. Whenever my track is down, I be stressed out because I can't make no content for y'all. And I can't bring y'all no Trackhawk, no Hellcat content, you know what I mean? So whenever this shit is down, I be getting stressed the fuck out, y'all. You know what I mean? The hood. Y'all been asking me why I got this hood, y'all. This is Black Ops hood. If you want to get one, it's gonna take them, sometimes the return is like 2 months. You know what I'm saying? It do take them a long time because this shit is full carbon fiber and they make this shit, so I guess it take them 2 months to make it. Sometimes it's longer. Sometimes they say it's gonna take them like 90 days to get it done. My boy, I think he had waited like almost 4 months to get his hood. It's ridiculous. You know what I mean? Also, y'all, when you get in all those mods done to this car, man, you gotta reinforce. You gotta put the reinforced mods on the suspension, because those Trackhawk suspensions, man, I'm telling you, those shit breaks, man. Especially the diffs, the transfer case, all that shit, man. You gotta get a built transfer case. You gotta get, you know what I'm saying, you gotta make sure you diffs a fucking a built diff. If you making over 1,000 horsepower, I think safely of what I'm doing with 1,000 horsepower, my stock suspension could support what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? But if you're going beyond 1,000 horsepower, you're gonna have to get some ADD suspension, man. ADD, man. AAD, y'all. Badass. Best of the best. In the Mopar world, this shit is like Gucci. You know what I'm saying? This shit like Gucci. And another thing too, y'all, I'm running a delete. I deleted my thermostat, and probably one of the best things I do is, so if you guys got a Hellcat, a Scat Pack, you know, Trackhawk, any kind of Hellcat platform, you guys might want to try out the if your shit is running hot, you might want to try the fucking thermostat delete, y'all. I'm telling you, this shit work badass. Make your car run cool. You know what I'm saying? Make the fans go on. Hey, make the fans run a little bit more, but you know, it's gonna your gauge is gonna be down lower. It's gonna make the car run a lot more cooler. I've been running this shit probably about like I'd say probably about a year now, and I had a problem when I had my Hellcat. I was going through thermostat like crazy, and you don't want to be on the side of the road and your thermostat locked up, and once the thermostat locked up, that's it, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know what you're doing, you don't know how to take this shit off and bleed that shit and get this shit right, I'm telling you, you're gonna be stuck on the side of the road, or you're gonna have to call in a tow truck. You know what I mean? That shit happened to me one time, and I had to call my boy B5 to come help me out. But you know, B5 is a fucking he's a Hellcat guru, so he know everything about this fucking car. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that I'm around, pretty much, bro, is fucking Hellcat gurus. All my boys, they all got fucking Hellcats. You know what I'm saying? And they all Hellcat gurus. But hey, y'all, this review is really cut and dry, y'all. It's really nothing I don't want to drag on and keep talking about shit that make no sense. You know what I'm saying? So for all you youngins out there that's hitting me up, bro, this shit costs money when you're doing builds. And don't forget, you got to unlock your PCM. A lot of y'all been asking me, what is a PCM? On the Trackhawk, the PCM is right here. On the Hellcats, the PCM, I think, is underneath the goddamn driver side, underneath. You know what I'm saying? But on the Trackhawks, it's right here. I don't know why they put it right here in the engine, but this is where it's at. All right. I think on the Hellcats, it's over here somewhere. I don't remember, y'all. But it's somewhere over here somewhere. You know what I mean? But that's the fucking PCM. When I was telling y'all, unlock your PCM. If you're doing a swap, you need a fucking, you need to go online and buy you a PCM. This is a PCM, y'all. It's a fucking computer. All right. You can see it. It's a computer. All right. But the Hellcat is going to be making 1,000 horsepower after they come back from the shop next week, y'all. She's going to be running on E85. I'm going to show you a little bit. Shit. I can't believe I got to take my cats off. But the cats do got to come off on the Trackhawk. Because it's not, the tuner said I can't do all that work and keep the cats on. That shit got to be able to breathe. It's not healthy for it. So, you know, I was trying to kind of figure out if I could keep the cats on, but I can't. My Hellcat was ridiculously loud when I had my cats off, and I was trying to kind of, you know, stick with the cats, but I got to take it off. The only thing is, I'm not gonna be able to hear my beautiful whine anymore because the shit is gonna be so fucking loud. But when you start doing mods, you have to take the fucking cats off. If you don't want your engine to blow and they have a blowback in your engine and blow your fucking engine up, you gotta take them cats off, man. You know what I mean? Another question I gotta answer. Y'all asked me where I got my where did I get my ported blower? Where did I get my blower ported? I got the blower ported from Fast Motorsport, guys, in Fort Myers. I'll put the link in the description. You guys could go in the description, hit the link. It'll send you straight to the Instagram. You guys can hit him up, tell Nico Mopar Crazy sent you, and he'll take care of you, man. You know what I'm saying? They're good guys. They work fast, and they try to get you in and out. All right? Look at this shit again. But yeah, y'all, there's really nothing to it. You know what I'm saying? Into this review. I don't want to be talking, and just, you know, another thing. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to go on the inside. All right, y'all, we're on the inside of the track. The one thing that catch a lot of people's eyes, they've been asking me about, is a steering wheel. It's so many places that sell them steering wheels now. It's ridiculous, y'all. I don't even remember where I got the steering wheel from. I got it from some company that was on Instagram, but they did a pretty good job. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and the light in the middle, the SRT light. This is not an airbag, y'all. This is an airbag cover. So what they do is they take the airbag cover on your airbag and they place this on there. But in order for you to do this, you got to find somebody that know what they're doing, or if they're going to break your shit and pop your airbag out. You know what I'm saying? You got to find somebody that do that shit. If you don't find somebody that's doing that shit, they're not going to do it right. But look at this shit, and look at this. Look how cool this is. I could change the light. Look at me. This is the app right here, and you could just change the light. You could have it however you want. You know, let's say if I want a bit to be running like this, I want it to be like this, and be like water. Look at this shit, running like water. And this is the app right here. You could just change it however you want. You know what I mean? However you want, you could just change it. You know, and you want the different colors. You can go blue. You want it to be static like that. You know what I'm saying? You want it to match the interior light, whatever. You see, it's matching the interior light. I could change it. You got the star lights in here. So you just think about all the money I put into this truck already, from the inside and the outside and what's getting done, guys. There's a lot of money, you know, when you own those cars. It's a lot of money. This shit is not cheap doing all this shit. You know what I'm saying? So being a content creator, and y'all been asking me like, hey, you know, Unc, I want to get a Trackhawk. Like, get a Trackhawk, bro, but you don't want to just have a plain Jane Trackhawk. You're going to want to do stuff to your shit. You want to make your shit look good. You want your shit to stand out. And that shit's a lot of money. You feel me? Yeah, y'all. So a lot of y'all boys been hitting me up and telling me, you know, Unc, I want to own a Trackhawk. How much it costs? I mean, y'all can see, man, this vehicle, this Trackhawk is the last call. I call it the last call because the 2021 Trackhawk, that's the last year of the Trackhawk. And if y'all think I'm bullshitting, go online right now and try to find a clean title 2021 Trackhawk. Them shit going for 100 bands and up. You know what I'm saying? So the Trackhawk is going for so much money right now. You know what I mean? It's $100,000 truck right here. You know, and the wheels, you know, all the mods on the inside. You know what I'm saying? Like, the amount of money that you put into these vehicles is ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? But I do it for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I do it for y'all. I don't do it for me. I do this shit for y'all, man, because I remember when I wanted to be a YouTuber, bro, and when the Trackhawk and the Hellcats that came out in 2015, I used to watch Tall Guy reviews, and you know, he used to be doing this thing. I'm like, damn, I can't wait to get my Hellcat and be just like that. That's what inspired me to be a YouTuber, y'all. So if you guys want to be a YouTuber, man, just go out there and just start today. You know what I mean? Hey, y'all, this is it for this review, y'all. I'm not just gonna drag this on and keep on talking about this, Y'all know what's going on. I told y'all what's happening. This shit's gonna be 1,000 horsepower. You know what I'm saying? I never owned a 1,000 horsepower vehicle before. This shit's gonna be 1,000 horsepower by next week, and I can't wait. The videos are gonna be lit. I'm not gonna be scared of anything. I'm gonna be going after everybody. I don't care what you got. a motherfucking Beamer, Mustang. I don't care, bro. You know what I'm saying? The Trackhawk as it is right now is beating a lot of shit out there right now. You know what I'm saying? Not too much motherfuckers could come fucking with me right now. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying, bro? A lot of y'all youngins be telling me, Unc, you know, I want to own a Trackhawk. I want a Hellcat. Bro, if you want to own a Hellcat, own a Trackhawk, bro, just stay focused, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's the best thing I could tell you, folks. Stay focused. I remember when I was your age and I was watching Tall Guy reviews, right? And Mr. Organic, because those guys was popping back in my days. And, you know, Tall Guy reviews had his Hellcat and shit. That's what inspired me to be a YouTuber, for real. I always wanted to hold a camera, you know what I'm saying, vlog and shit. That was like, before I joined the Army, that was like my thing. That's what I wanted to do, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, I just started my YouTube. My videos was retarded. I was recording on a Droid phone, you know what I'm saying? But I just kept on posting, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to be a YouTuber, bro, and you got a Hellcat or whatever, and you want to be YouTube, just be a YouTuber, bro. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people are not going to support you, bro. You just got to put yourself out there and do your thing. A lot of people are not going to support you in what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? People are going to look at your video and just keep on going by. You know what I'm saying? But if you just believe in yourself and you keep on posting, people are going to believe in you. You know what I mean? So that's all I can tell y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Just keep on doing you. You know what I'm saying? If you believe in yourself, other people are going to believe in you. If you don't believe in yourself, people are not going to believe in you. That's just the way it is, bro. You know what I'm saying? And it's just what it is, bro. And another thing, bro, once the Trackhawk is up and running, I'm going to be coming after a lot of people. Those videos are going to be lit. We're going to be doing a lot, bro. It's going to be a lot of racing. A lot of people been talking a lot of smack out there. And once the Trackhawk get out the shop, just I'm telling y'all, be aware. Be aware. Because I'm coming for you. I don't give a fuck if you got a Beamer, if you got a GTR. I don't care. We're doing dig races and we're doing road races. It don't matter. But I love y'all, man. For real. I love y'all. I love the real true car people that I inspire out there. You know what I'm saying? The real people out there that actually want to do mods to their car, want to race, you know, talk about their cars on YouTube. Because me talking to the camera is me talking to y'all. You know what I'm saying? The community. You know what I'm saying? It's me talking to y'all, man. Y'all don't realize that shit. It's just a bigger platform. You know what I'm saying? But I'm really talking to y'all. You know what I'm saying? I love talking to car people. This is how I talk to y'all. You know what I'm saying? So, if you've been riding with me from day one, I appreciate y'all so fucking much. Y'all don't understand, man. The real car people. You know what I'm saying? There's some people that's always gonna troll, whatever. I don't pay attention to the trollers. I don't care about them. I don't pay attention to them, okay? But the ones that support me, the ones that ask questions, the one that I motivate, you know what I'm saying? Hey, look, y'all, if you want to get a Hellcat and that's your dream, get a Hellcat. But then dream bigger. After you get that Hellcat, dream bigger. You know what I'm saying? I want to see you with a Lamborghini. I want to see you with a fucking SVJ. You know what I'm saying? Like, we dream bigger. You know what I'm saying? So, don't let nobody tell you can't do it. Anybody can fucking do it, y'all. Just stay focused. Follow the right crowd. You know, be around people that want to see you fucking elevate. Stop being around people that's toxic. Stop being around people that every time you tell them your ideas, they try to shut you down. Stay away from people like that, y'all. Because people like that ain't gonna get you nowhere, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Nowhere in life. So I can go on and 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 on talking about y'all to y'all about shit. Because I love talking to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Most of y'all that tune into my videos, I love talking to y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? We could talk about the Trackhawk all day. But there's certain steps that you got to meet in order to get to a Trackhawk. You know what I'm saying? Unless you just go out there and steal one. But I don't recommend you doing that. You know what I'm saying? So, I love y'all. But another thing, y'all been telling me y'all want me to do a series on swaps. How you do a swap. I'll do a swap. I'll do a swap video. Like step by step how you do a swap. But y'all guys got to tune in. So comment, run the comments up. Run this video up, y'all. Let me know in the comments. That's how I know. That's the reason why I made this video. Y'all been wanting a review on the truck. So I did a quick review on the truck for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So if you want me to do a video on swaps and stuff like that, let me know. Let me know in the comments. All right. I love y'all, man. Keep rocking with me. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.